How to fix. This action isn't allowed on YouTube TV. The error. This action isn't allowed on YouTube TV typically occurs due to account, location, or app issues. Follow these steps to resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your account. Verify account permissions. Ensure you're signed in with the correct YouTube TV account. Go to Settings Membership on YouTube TV to check your subscription status. Re-sign in, log out of your YouTube TV account, then log back in. Family sharing issues. If you're part of a family sharing group, confirm that the family manager hasn't removed your access. Step 2. Confirm location settings. Set your home area. Go to Settings area, Home area in YouTube TV. Ensure your home area matches your current location. Update. Location. If you're traveling, use Settings area current playback area to update your location. Disable VPN. If you're using a VPN, turn it off as YouTube TV may block actions from unverified locations. Step 3. Clear app cache and data. Smart TVs and devices. Go to Settings Apps YouTube TV Clear Cache or Clear Data. Browsers. Clear cookies and cache for the YouTube TV website. Step 4. Check app and device updates. Update YouTube TV app. Open your device's app store, search for YouTube TV, and update the app. Update device software. Go to your device's settings system update to ensure the firmware is up to date. Step 5. Restart your device. Power cycle. Turn off your device, unplug it for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Reopen YouTube TV, check if the issue persists. Step 6. Contact YouTube TV support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, go to YouTube TV Help Center and contact their support team. Provide details about the error, your account, and the device you are using. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the "this action isn't allowed" error on YouTube TV and restore full functionality.